Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, this is going to be the Chuck edition in widescreen for my hotel room here in Effingham for the Corvette Funfest. So, just so we all know, it's been lived in for a day, so not as clean as it was in the short. Bathroom with my cooler of booze. And then over here we have a sink that is now dirty because it's lived in. The hot tub jacuzzi, which I found out the jets are not working. Hot water still works though, so you can still kind of use it. I do also have a pretty sick patio here that overlooks the pool. I actually just got out of the pool. It was very nice, very refreshing. So one thing I love doing is taking a refreshing dip in the gene pool. And the big ass bed, big ass TV, and I have confirmed since the short that this is in fact a pull-out couch. And over yonder we have a table, a kitchen area, and my room does overlook where you roll up and enter the hotel and unload all of your luggage, etc. So, okay, there we go. Chuck edition of the hotel room. No longer sanitary like it was the previous day when it was not lived in. Thanks for watching, boys. And by boys, I mean Chuck. Peace.